Hello and welcome to my channel, everyone. It's your girl Cassandra,Olivia, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something new. I'm going to be doing a full crochet install by Eayonhair. They sent me 3 packs of their bohemian curly hair. Now the braids are crochet, so they are synthetic hair. However, all of the bohemian pieces are 100% human hair, so that way you can avoid tangles and that way it has a nice curl throughout. So in total there's 120 strands. There's 40 strands in each package. I received 3 packages total, and that's plenty to do my entire head. So here I'm just showing you the tools that I'm going to be using, and then we're going to prepare to do this crochet install on my short natural hair. Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra,Olivia, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing something different that I don't really do on my channel. I'm going to be installing some bohemian crochet braids, and I'm going to be doing this new method that I found online here on YouTube University, and we're going to test it out on short natural hair. So this is my growth over the past couple months. What I learned about this style, the most important thing is to make sure that your front, like that front layer, looks the most realistic. So imagine like your hairline area, you just want that to look as believable as possible. So I'm not going to do a really big section in the front because I do want it to give the illusion that I have individuals. I'm just going in now, parting my hair directly across, and then I'm going to start to do my little mini braid. This out the way as well. And my ultimate goal, I'm hoping that this looks super cute, because if this comes out the way I think it's going to come out, then I'm going to rock this probably for a month, and y'all will just see me rocking this in my video. But just wanted to come on here and give y'all like my thoughts. Section, I'm just going to lay it down so you can see. Oh wait, hold on, got a little hair here. Okay, this is going to be our first section, and I'm thinking I'm going to do about 10 to 12 braids across the front, just so that way it'll give me the most realistic look. This is my first time doing this, so I'm just going to start off with a little section right here. I was thinking about doing rubber bands, but I'm gonna see if we can make something shake with the braids. If not, I might do a combination of both. Again, I'm growing out a shortcut, so I don't have too much to work with, and I am gonna be going in with my Fenty, the controlling type. I honestly wanted to use some Shine and Jam. However, I completely forgot to get the Shine and Jam when I went to the hair store. I grabbed rubber bands only, and I'm sitting there like I'm forgetting something, and I'm like, nah, I'm good. And then as soon, ooh, it smells, this edge control smells bomb. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I was just like, as soon as I got home, I said, Livy, do you have Shine and Jam? Because my girls normally have some. She was like, no, mom. I said, oh my god, I'm really gonna have to do this without any edge control. But then I thought about it, and I was like, wait, I got this controlling type. Let's put this to use on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little plait here. So we got a little something to work with. Yep, and I'm just gonna go across the front, do a whole bunch of little boxes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a whole bunch of little plaits.
That's what's so bright. That's what's so bright.
Okay, so from here on out, I'm going to be doing the rest of this video via voiceover. So all I'm doing is going in and just parting my first perimeter of braids. This first line I feel like is the most important because this is going to set the tone for that look of the individual braids. So you want to make sure that they're not too big, not too small, but they look believable for the size braids that you have. So just based off of the size crochet braids that I had, I decided to go with like small size parts just so that way it looks more believable. And I decided to do about 10 to 12 braids across the front. I didn't count them. I just kind of went with my natural pattern and then just did straight across. Once I was done this first row, I am going to go in and do the same thing right directly behind this first row. So essentially I have 2 rows that look exactly the same. And then after I'm finished these 2 rows, I am going to go in and just do some straight back cornrows. But I am going to make sure that the cornrow rows match my braiding rows as well. Now, if you're somebody that has short hair, this is important because obviously the shorter that your hair is, you're not going to have that much room to do bigger braids anyway. So I like to keep everything small and tight. And honestly, I didn't even have to use any braiding hair at all, which I was shocked. And I only used 5 rubber bands total. So here I am just taking my fingers, I'm tucking all of the hair inside. And once I'm done doing that, now I am ready to install my crochet hair. I actually ended up taking out most of the first row, going back towards the end, redoing it, and then adding some more pieces, which you guys will see. But going forward, I'm just going to show you guys just several pieces of the back and the front. The back you do as usual, you just want to follow down the cornrow and just add crochet, just filling in any gap. However, the front where those boxes are, in each box, you only want to put 1 crochet braid. Behind those 2 rows of boxes, then you can add several crochet braids once that cornrow starts. But where we have those 2 individual boxes in the very front, you just want to add 1 braid to each box. After that, you can go crazy and add as many braids on the row behind you, but you just want to make sure that it looks believable in the front and everything is matching up.
Guess what's so bright? Guess what's so bright?
So I'm using the latch hook that Eayonhair has provided. So I just made sure to see how the braids laid, and however they laid the most flat, I just did that on either side, and I kind of reversed it on the left and the right just to give me a little bit of versatility on each side. And I went through, did the whole entire thing. Once I was finished, I did look in the mirror. I did go in the bathroom just to take a look at the back. I had my mom look at the back. She told me I was missing like a spot or 2. So I did go in and add a few more off camera as well as on camera. But essentially, this is just the guideline on how to install these. And then you can add as many or as little as you want just based off of your preference. I personally like full hair, so I wanted this to be as full and like wavy and natural looking as possible. And I thought I did a really good job for my first time ever doing crochet on myself. Again, I have never, ever worn crochet braids, ever. I'm just not a crochet girl. So the fact that I'm stepping out my comfort zone and doing a new style yet like on myself, but also it looked bomb, I was very shook. So here we are, we're just getting towards the back, and I wanted to show you guys, because we did straight back cornrows, right? There's going to be one row where you're going to be able to see the scalp where that part is. So I'm just going in. It's hard to explain, but that braid that I just did right before this one, I just went in and added that braid kind of on another braid right directly next to it, just to fill in that gap in the back. So that way it falls down where my part is, where that cornrow is. So essentially when you look from the back of my head, you'll no longer be able to see one part. Now all the parts are covered and it just looks like Bohemian locks all over. Again, once I was done, I'm just double checking, I'm pulling it up, I'm looking around, seeing what I like and what I do not like. And then from there, I'm just deciding on where I'm gonna add extra pieces.
Guess what's so bright? Guess what's so bright?
So here I am. I'm going to style this for you guys. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of everything. I'm going to give you guys just how it looks up, how it looks down, how it looks side to side. Now, obviously, I can't pull the back up because of the way that I did the braids. However, if you did want to pull it back up, you could essentially do the same pattern in the back. I want you guys obviously to see how it looks raw out the camera, how it looks in studio lighting, which you guys see here, as well as natural sunlight. But I also wanted to show you guys how it would look like if you post on the gram and all that. And when I tell you, I just posted the snippet for this earlier and the girls were eating it up. So I feel like I did a really, really good job. So drop your comments down below. I will be sure to link everything again. And if you guys have any questions, please, please, please feel free to reach out and ask. Half up, half down type of situation. And then I'm going to take you guys outside and then we'll do the filter. And then that will conclude this video. So I just want to say now, thank you guys so much for watching, for sticking around with me, for watching my content, listening to my content, like, commenting, subscribing, all of that fun stuff. I cannot wait to bring you guys so much more content this summer. I was really feeling this hair, so thank you guys again so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, drop some love down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Guess what's so bright?